SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn on auto brightness on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has a setting called auto brightness where it can automatically adjust the brightness of the screen to accommodate the ambient lighting around you. So if you've tried to manually adjust the brightness before and you find that you're doing it whenever you go into a dark room or when you go outside, then you can enable auto brightness to let your iPhone take care of this for you. You can turn on the setting by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the accessibility option from this menu, and then you can select display and text size in the top section of this screen. Now you just need to scroll to the bottom of this menu and find the auto brightness setting at the very bottom, and then tap the button to the right of that to turn it on. Now if you would like to manually adjust the brightness level while you have auto brightness enabled, then you can do it in the same way that you'd been doing it before. So if you go back to the main settings menu, you can open the display and brightness menu, and you can drag the brightness slider to the left to make the screen dimmer, or you can drag it to the right to make the screen brighter. Note that you can also adjust the brightness level from the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, and then you can drag this bar up to make the screen brighter, or drag it down to make the screen dimmer. Note that this isn't going to affect whether or not auto brightness works. It just changes the default brightness level on the phone that your iPhone uses to determine when it should change the brightness level.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.